the party with the flow. They wanted more. I give them more. That's all I.
What's going on, everybody? So today we're chilling, working on this car over here. At the same time, still working on this car right here. And BJ's over here chilling. You guys see the caddy? There's a beach cruiser from Walmart. He wants to fiberglass and do a design. I'm gonna help him out and do that. You guys are gonna see the process of that. We also got lowrider bike content. We're gonna show you guys that in a little bit. And if you guys got any ideas or any kind of suggestions on what we should do with this one, then let us know. Guys, so
whitewall tires that I learned with my car wheels is a good way to clean them. Use this Shout Auto and it takes care of the grind pretty damn good. If you look at the way this white wall looks, pay attention to that, and then I'll show you this side once it's clean. Little bit of grime on there still, but there's that side. And that side.
yeah, you can tell it's hella more work to do. That method BJ uses definitely works because you can see that they're hella clean. They look a lot better than what they did. They look brand new. We're gonna go get some inner tubes and we'll be back.
hell, do it, get it, go. Run it up, get it up, get it up. Weed like a rock, smoke weed like a rock. She call me Papa, she call me Papa. Tell me spurs like buckets, bird like bucket. You know they can't stop us, you know they can't stop. Keep my mind at ease.